So I'm going to be doing something today that I haven't done for quite a while, and that's a nice bit of street photography. Got a good few events going on around the town. I'm thinking, yeah, do you know what? Let's go and meet some good friends, have a coffee and a chat. But the weather's looking a bit iffy, so what could possibly go wrong? Greetings all. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of street photography stuff. We meet some good friends of mine, John and Karen. They are actually down on a bit of a visit. Do see them quite regularly actually, and normally we just end up going for a bit of a coffee chat, you know, put the wheel to right, all the rest of it. And John, that being a bit of a photographer on that himself, obviously you'll know if you subscribe to him. A link to his channel is in the description below. You will see, obviously, he's a bit of a photographer as well. Normally, we have always spoke about going out on shoots and stuff and doing bits and pieces, and we never seem to get around to it. But today is different because there is the folk festival going on in the town, and we thought, let's go and do a bit of street photography. Why not? So, I've fired up all my batteries, they're all charged, all raring to go, and kit decision. So I was thinking, I want to keep this really light, don't want to carry too much around with me. So I've armed myself with the M50, and I've got the 18 to 55 lens on me. No, I haven't. I'm going to be leaving that one behind. I'm going to be taking the actual M mount lens with me, just the 15 to 45. Take my lens adapter. I did a review on that one, and my long lens, just so I can be a bit of a distance away in that as well. It's quite handy when there's a lot of people around. So yeah, arm myself with that, loads of spare batteries. I think the only thing that's is concerning me a little bit is the weather, because we are due some really heavy rain. So I am going to time this, so I'm going to get there very early, so I can stand in the shelter and not get wet, because I just know that the moment I pulled into the car park, it is going to throw it down. I'm going to get wet, so I'm going to get there early. Enjoy.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.